Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study about critical radius of insulation and critical thickness of insulation. So friends, let's start. Friends, in this diagram, this circle which has radius r1 is our solid cylinder. Okay, and here this portion is our insulation, and here you can see this radius is the radius of insulation, and that is r2 here, this one, and it is critical radius rc. This radius is our critical radius rc. Okay, critical radius of insulation rc is our this much portion, this radius. Okay, here as you know, now this rc is critical radius, and critical radius or critical thickness tc is given by here rc minus r1 in this case, that is this is our critical thickness. Okay, here and here this is the thermal conductivity K of this insulating material, and here this is Ti, that is inner temperature of this cylindrical shape, and this is here air which has To temperature, and Ho is convective heat transfer coefficient here. Okay, and here friends, see in this graph, this is q versus r2 graph. Here q is the heat transfer rate and r2 is the our outer radius, that is this one, this radius. R2 is our outer radius. Okay, and here you can see this is rc, that is our critical radius, and here this is our r1. As you can see here friends, at point A this is q bare, that is at this bare cylinder portion here, that is r1 radius. As we add here insulating material, as you can see, when we add insulating material here further this r1 point, here heat transfer increases. Okay, as you can see in this diagram, heat transfer increases and reaches up to this point, and here at, you can see here below, at critical radius heat transfer is maximum, q max here, and further again at further this critical radius, that is here as this at this point friend, here rc is equal to r2 at this point. Okay, at b point rc is equal to r2, and when we further increase our radius, outer radius of insulation r2, here as you can see heat transfer decreases as we increase here our outer radius of insulation further the this b point, that is critical radius. So here in short, as we increases our insulation up to the critical radius, there is heat transfer increases, and further this critical radius, if we increase our insulation, heat transfer decreases, as you can see in this graph. Okay, now let's see the definition. The thickness up to which heat flow increases, after which heat flow decreases, is termed as critical thickness. In case of cylinders and spheres, it is called critical radius. Okay, here as we have seen in this diagram, see here friends, when r2 is less than rc, that is case of this portion, that is portion ab, here in this case we use poor insulating material, okay, and here in this case thermal conductivity, that is K, is high. Okay, and here HO, that is convective heat transfer, is low. Because convective heat transfer is low because the surface area for convective heat transfer is less in this case. Okay, and this case is mostly used for insulation of electric cables, as here we need good insulator for current and poor for heat transfer. Okay, further next case is R2 is greater than RC, that is this case BC. Here friends, we use good insulating material. Okay, here in this case K is low, that is thermal conductivity is low, and here HO, that is convective heat transfer, is high, because here this convective heat transfer is high because surface area for convective heat transfer in this case is more. Okay, further, and this is this case we use in steam and refrigeration pipes, as here heat insulation is main objective. Okay, further here the case is R2 is equal to RC. This case R2 is equal to RC, that is at point B. Here rate of increase of conductive resistance of insulation is equal to rate of decrease of convective resistance of insulation. Okay, at this point B, that is RC is equal to R2. Further here friends, critical radius of insulation formulas, here for cylinder RC is equal to K upon HO, and for sphere RC is equal to 2K upon HO. So friends, in this video we have studied what is critical radius of insulation and critical thickness of insulation. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.